Hi everybody, welcome back. We will talk about adverb today. Well, first it's important to understand the words adverbs work closely with the starting with verbs. An adverb is a part of speech that provides greater description to a verb. A great way to pick out an adverb from a sentence is to look for the word ending in ly, although that's not universally true. So, what is an adverb in simple words? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. In other words, an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let's take some time to dive deeply into adverb and kinds. There are 8 kinds of adverbs. They are divided so based on the manner in which they qualify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. They are as follows. First one, adverbs of time. Second one, adverbs of place. Third one, adverbs of manner. Fourth one, adverbs of frequency. Fifth one, adverbs of degree or quality. Sixth one, adverbs of reason. Seventh one, adverbs of affirmation. And the eighth one, adverbs of negation. We will discuss each one in detail. Adverbs of time. It denotes when an action is done. We will write a few examples. I have heard this before. She comes here daily. That day he arrived late. Here the words before, daily, late denote when an action is done. Remember, yesterday, today, tomorrow, now, then, always, never, day before, day after, at this time, at that time, this day, that day, last week, this week, next week, last month, this month, next month, last year, this year, next year, last night, tonight, tomorrow night, after, ago, formerly, late before, yet, soon, daily are the adverbs of the same kind or adverbs of time. Adverbs of place. It denote where an action is done. We will write a few examples. Come in. My brother goes out. Walk backward. Here the words in, out, backward denote where an action is done. Remember, above, in, within, out, here, closely, there, everywhere, nowhere, somewhere, anywhere, front, in front of, frontward, back, at the back of, backward, away, inside, outside, below are other adverbs of the same kind or adverbs of place. Adverbs of manner. It denote how an action is done. We will write a few examples. They speak slowly. Ram fought bravely. This story is well written. Here the words slowly, bravely, well denote how an action is done. Remember, loudly, feebly, bravely, cowardly, well, badly, happily, sorrowfully, angrily, meekly, fast, slowly, rightly, wrongly, willingly, unwillingly, clearly are the other adverbs of the same kind or adverbs of manner. Note, this class includes nearly all those adverbs which are derived from adjectives and end in ly. Adjectives of frequency. It denotes how often an action is done. We will write a few examples. The postman called again. I have not seen him once. He rarely comes here. Here the words again, once, rarely denote how often an action is done. Remember, frequently, seldom, rarely, always, once upon, a time, twice, thrice, occasionally, again, sometimes, now and then, perpetually, provisionally, temporarily, primarily, secondarily, ever, forever, usually, generally, lastly, recently, mostly, lately, early, shortly, soon, gradually, suddenly, unexpectedly, sometimes, finally, ultimately, commonly, are the other adverbs of the same kind or adjectives of frequency. We have learned adverb and kinds, namely adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, and adverbs of frequency. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, adverb and kinds. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon. Have a good day until we come back.